Opposite, opposite, opposite. Opposite, opposite, opposite. Beep, beep, I'm sheep. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Beep, beep, I'm sheep. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Yeah, now some of you might be wondering, how exactly does one beep like a sheep?
Take it away, throw your hands up, then point them to the floor. Here's what to do, now get down on our board. 3, just bounce around, it's easy for me. 4, go crazy now, let beep beep like a sheep.
Opposite, opposite, opposite. Beep, beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Beep, beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep.
Beep, beep, you got the beep, beep. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Beep, beep, you got the beep, beep. I said beep, beep like a sheep.
Yeah, so you know how to keep people like a sheep, I see. But is that all you can do?
What? Throw your hands up and point them to the sky. Jump to the floor and move from side to side. 3, just bounce around your line, I'll show you how. 4, go crazy now and down there like a cow. Yeah, I'm a cow, I said meow, meow, I'm a cow. Meow, meow, I'm a cow, I said meow, meow, I'm a yow. Beep, beep, you got to beep, beep. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep. Beep, beep, you got to beep, beep. I said beep, beep.